Hello and welcome to Tabla Talks. My name is Kuljit Bhamra and I'm a record producer, composer and musician. And in this episode, I'd like to present you with a tip which I hope will help you whilst recording drums or tabla or any percussion instrument. And this tip is regarding the use of a metronome in your headphones while you're overdubbing. So as we all know, we put headphones on in the recording studio, and more likely than not, we will have a metronome clicking away in the headphone to keep us in time. What I've noticed for myself is that if I choose a metronome sound that is a cowbell sound or a clave sound, I tend to end up giving the metronome space as if it was a musician itself. So if the metronome is going tick, 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 it's very easy to think that I'm playing with a cowbell musician or a player. Whereas the metronome should only be used as a guide, not as a musical instrument in its own right. And what happens is, for me personally, it has affected my playing because I'm assuming that it's an instrument rather than a guide. And the way that I've got around this problem is by changing the sound of the metronome so that it's not a clave or a cowbell, but that it is a different type of sound that I can ignore and keep as a guide rather than give credence to as an instrument. So perhaps next time you record, you can try that out and then see how that sounds. But anyway, I hope you found that helpful and that it was useful advice for you.